Hello and welcome back to Mirror Interpretation Todorova. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Um, I love this hat. Don't you think it's amazing? So I'm gonna tell you shortly what my channel is about. My channel is about languages and language providers, and um, and you can see videos in different languages. There is videos about medical interpreting, code of ethics, best practices, different advices about job interview, your resume, how your resume should look like, some experiences, how it's like for me to provide services, medical terminology video in different languages. I personally provide Bulgarian, Italian, Russian, Macedonian, English, and some Ukrainian languages on a daily basis from my home. And then you have members only. There is 2 levels of members right now active. Level 1 is $3.99, and for $3.99 you're gonna see videos where I exercise speaking 5 languages in medical terminology. I do lives once a month where I respond to your questions. For $7.99 you will see videos. There is about 30 videos right now on this folder talking about my experiences providing languages for companies, problems that I encounter, contracting, how I disconnect contract, how I sign contract, how I interact and look for new clients, which may be useful to you as well. And then right now I'm creating a project called Bilingual Medical Terminology Trainings with Mr. Jose Alvarez. You are going to see those trainings soonly in a form of a webinar where you're gonna see English and Spanish slides. Mr. Jose will speak in Spanish and I would read the English part, and that would gonna be a bilingual medical interpreter terminology in Spanish coming soon. This is gonna be a paid version. Said that, guys, if you like languages, if you work as an interpreter, medical interpreter, video, simultaneous, legal, consecutive, if you do sight interpreting or any kind of a translation, this video is about languages. This channel is about language, the profession of speaking languages, of providing language services for company, for private clients, and for providing translation services. Thank you for being here, and if you're interested, please check, like, share, and subscribe, and do not forget to write me your comment, your feedbacks, and what you're looking for in the future videos. Thank you for being here. Bye-bye.